Hello and welcome to the fifth session on Java 8. My name is Pulkit. In this session we will going to talk about constructor reference. Now in the last session we talked about method reference and we learned how to replace method reference with lambda expressions. So you also have the option of replacing lambda expressions with constructor reference. So let's understand it with the help of a simple example. So let's create a character array and in the braces let's place some elements A, B, C and D. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to create a string with the help of this character array. So let's create the reference of the string, and in the constructor argument of string we're going to pass the character array. So basically string has a constructor which accepts character array as argument and it returns the string. So now let's print it and see what output we are getting here. So we are getting ABCD. So basically it's concatenating all the characters and making a string out of it. So let's create a functional interface. We'll name it construct reference interface, and we will going to define an abstract method here which will going to return string. We'll call it const string, and it will gonna accept a character array. Okay, cool. So now the thing is that we have an interface. It's a functional interface, so let's mark it with functional interface annotation. It has an abstract method which accepts character array as argument and it returns string. And we also have a constructor here of string which accepts character array as argument and returns string. So this constructor is compatible with this abstract method of functional interface. So now let's create the reference of constructor reference interface. First we'll do it with the help of lambda expression. So what I need to do in the lambda expression is I'll need to pass the character array here, and then we'll gonna return new string, and character 1 goes here. Okay, so cool. So now let's call the construct string method on constructor reference, and we're going to pass this character array here. Let's print the value of this method call. So it's printing ABCDE. So this is the way how we'll do it with the help of the lambda expression. So now I don't have to write this much code. I don't need to specify the lambda expression here because I already have a constructor of string class which is compatible with the abstract method of this interface. So what I'll do simply here is I'll write string colon and new. So I'm specifying here, look out for a constructor of string class which is compatible with this abstract method, and we know this is the constructor which is compatible, so it will be used in place of lambda expressions for constructor reference interface. So now let's execute it. So as you can see that we're getting the same output here. So now we have three options of using the functional interface. We can use the lambda expressions for functional interfaces, we can use the method reference, or we can use the constructor reference. That's all for this session. Thank you.